What's up, guys? It's your boy Steve coming at you with another rendition of Pokédead and the Kid. Today we're going to be opening up some booster packs that are off the TCG Pokemon Online game. Now, you get these packs simply by either winning any of the games and gaining points from the actual game system, or you can actually get these code cards, which are redeemable for booster packs that you can choose, or whichever set that you actually have, get that one certain pack from the actual set that you opened it from. Today we'll be opening up several packs from each set, and I figured why not start off with one of my faves, which is Vivid Voltage. Alright, and away we go. So first pack, here we go. Alright, so these are the cards that you get just like a normal pack. And we got a non-holographic shift tree. Let's go and open up another pack. Alright, here's our selection of cards, and our main one is, oh, very nice, Opal Full Art Trainer. I like the color on that, the color scheme, how she's with the whole pink vibe. I like it. Alright, let's open up some Fusion Strike. See what we can get out of these packs here. Alright, so here we are, and we got a holographic Melmetal. Let's open up another pack. Okay, so all the news are cards that aren't in your actually file set. And we got a Cinescorch non-hollow. Okay, let's open one more. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. We got a holographic Laundress. Alright, let's move on to the next couple of packs. It would be Evolving Sky. I haven't really opened up too much Evolving Sky in the actual cards, but I've opened up a lot on this gaming here. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we get. Okay, it's a Jolteon VMAX. I do like the design on it. Looks like he's jumping right at you. Let's open up another. Alrighty. And we got a, okay, a Lycanroc V. I like that card. I like the design. He's like, I'm a attack dog. Row, 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 row. Alright. Let's open up some Darkness Ablaze. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Again, if you're new to the channel, hit that like and the subscribe button. You never know what our video is going to be like on the next one, but we always try to come up with creative ideas. And this next card is a Cabraja holographic. Let's open up another. Alright, so our next card is, okay, a Galarian Slowbro B. Nice. I like how it's like on his arm and not on his tail. But cool design. I like it. Let's open up another. All right, here we go. Energizalt, non-holographic. All right, let's open up some Chilling Pain. All right. Again, the ones that say new are cards that we haven't gotten. Let's see what we get here. Okay. And a holographic Lycanroc. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's open up another. Alright, let's see what we get. And it's a non-holographic Tesserina. Alright, not too bad. Let's open up our only 2 packs of Astral Radiance. Alright, here we go. A Clavor, and we got a Regigious. Alright, let's open up this last pack of Astral Radiance. Alright, here we go. Okay, Pierce. Full art. I like the design on it. I like how something's coming out of the ball. What Pokemon could it be? Who's that Pokemon? And we got a non-holographic Thievul. Okay. Not too bad. Let's open up a pack from Brilliant Stars. Alright, here we go. See what we get. A Wormadam. Let's open up one more, shall we? A Luxray. Alright. Let's open up 2 packs from the Pokemon Go. Alright, and this isn't a what you call it, a Ditto, but we do got a Glossopod. Let's open up one more, shall we? Alright. And this one is another Glossopod. You know what? We can end it on this. Let's open up another. I do like this Pikachu. It's like he's on his way to an adventure. Okay, it's a Charizard. Let's open up one more. Uh-oh. We got that Kanto vibe. A starter set. We got that Charmander. Could this be a Charizard? Oh, I called it. It's a Charizard. We got the full evolution line. Well, I want to thank you guys for joining me here. Again, hit that like and that subscribe button. So this way, you can be part of the squad. It's free to do so. And hit that icon bell so this way you know what we're going to be doing next. But until next time, if you do want to find me here on the TCG, I'm at Pokedad and the Kid. And waiting for someone to play. Till next time, remember, you got to catch them all.